Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the parity on your 7x7 cube, and in this case it's a two-step solve. So first we're going to flip the middle edge piece, and after that we're going to flip all three. So the algorithm for that is very long. It will take you a while to memorize it, but just start practicing, and the algorithm is not that difficult. So here's how you do it. So now you do a cube rotation, which is an X inverted. And in the last step, you can join it with the block backwards. So we can check it out now. And as you can see, the middle edge piece is now flipped. And we can continue to the second part of the algorithm, which is actually the same, only you rotate 2 layers instead of 1.